Hello traders, this is day 7 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100, now I'm standing at $375 after 6 days. Let's see where we can reach today. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently, I'm watching British Pound CAD chart and price is hitting the recent support level. So I'm drawing the recent support first of all, and I'm going to use it to place a reversal trade. Price is inside the zone, so I'm switching to the 5-second chart. That is the confirmation. I place the trade. Okay, price reverses instantly, and still no confirmation. This candle was forming as a strong reversal pattern, but at the very last second it reverses. So we can say that my trade placement is wrong because the confirmation was not solid. But as we can't do anything right now, okay, now we have the confirmation. This is the reversal confirmation. It's an engulfing candle. So now we have a confirmation. So let me explain you the trade. So the trade is based upon recently formed levels. If you focus here, just in this uptrend, this was the low, high, higher low, and higher high. So this was the higher high. Price created this higher low, which means this is the recent support level. Chances of price reversing from this zone are high. I've used the body and the wick to create a zone. As soon as the price goes inside the zone, we have booked profit in this trade. The price goes inside, it formed this candle, but it got rejected back. My entry was here because for me that was a reversal candle, but at the very last second it reverses. But finally we got the confirmation. So this was again a confirmation. Here you could have placed a trade for the 1 minute expiry in the upside direction, and that's why we placed this trade. It is based upon recently formed support and resistance level, and we use the same level. So we have taken the first trade of this session. Let's try to find other trading opportunity. Similar trade setup here as well. Let's draw the recent support level. If you focus here, low, high, higher low, and higher high, the price has to retrace back to the zone. Once price reach here and it gave a reversal confirmation, a bullish reversal confirmation, I'll place a 1 minute expiry trade in the upside direction. Let's wait. Price is falling, so we will have our trading opportunity. We are applying the same strategy that I used on the last trade. Let's see if I get a breakout from... Okay, price is approaching the support. I'm switching to the 5-second chart. Price might take early reversal because there is chances of early reversal from the recent level, but I will only place my trade if price approaches this zone. This whole zone is important, and I'm looking for a reversal confirmation from this zone only. Let's wait for the price to fall. If it takes early reversal, I will try to find other trading opportunity. Price here gave a clear breakout, but it is showing respect to the major support level here. You can see price got rejected back. So I'm switching to the 5-second chart. Yes, we have a confirmation. If I get a chance, I will place a trade here. Okay, I place the trade in the upside direction. This is the confirmation, and price hit this zone, this support zone. Let me draw it again for you. This was the support zone, a major support zone. When price hit this support zone, you can see it formed a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern. And that's why I take the trade here. I didn't get the chance to place the trade with this confirmation because my internet was down. I didn't find any trade, any chart movement for around 20 seconds. But now I placed the trade here because this was a good reversal confirmation that shows that price will go up. Right now we are running in loss. Last 11 seconds are remaining. That is where I was expecting my entry. And last 3 seconds, last 2, and we closed in loss. If our entry was correct, that would be a winning trade, but now we can't do anything. Let's try to find other trade setup. We have lost the second trade of this session. Let's use this zone again, because if price does not break this zone, I will use it to place a reversal trade. The chances of reversal will be high. I'm switching to the 5-second chart. Let's use this zone now. Let's wait for the price to fall to this zone. If price gave another confirmation, I will instantly place a trade in the upside direction. Price goes inside. Now we need a solid reversal pattern. Okay. Yes, that's the confirmation. I placed the third trade of this session in the upside direction using the major support level. The entry is also correct. I didn't place a trade here because that was not sufficient for me. But if you compare and watch these 4 candles, they formed a reversal pattern here. So I placed a 1-minute expiry trade in the upside direction. The entry is correct at the very level, and I'm sure that price will start moving in the upside direction. Sometimes because of low volume, price takes time to react and respond according to the volume, but I think the price will start moving in the upside direction. Right now we are at break even, now in loss. Last 15 seconds are remaining for the results. My entry is correct, and that's why I am not in a doubt. Even if I lose, my entry is correct, so that's why I will accept it. Okay, right now last 2 seconds we booked profit, and we booked profit on this trade because of the correct entry. My entry was correct. If my entry was a little bit above, it would be a loss again, like we have a loss here. So till now we have taken 3 trades. Let's take one more trade and then we will end this session. Currently on odd USD chart, price is approaching a major support level. I'm just going to use the extreme level here. This is a clearly visible support. I'm going to draw a zone using the body and the wick of the candle. So this whole zone is a high probability zone for me. I'm going to wait for the price to fall and hit this zone. Once price reach here, and if it formed a reversal pattern, I will place a trade in the upside direction. So let's wait for that, because for me this is quite a strong level, because the price was falling very strongly previously and instantly got rejected back from this level. So I think this whole zone holds so much value and chances of reversal are high. Let's wait for the price to fall to this zone now. Price hitting the support level, switching to the 5-second chart. Now I need strong reversal confirmation here, and I will place a trade. Price shows a rejection. And yes, that's the confirmation. It's a good reversal pattern formed at a support level. Now let's wait for the result. Let me explain you the trade. It's a simple trade setup. Previously, price shows rejection from this level. It was falling strongly, instantly got rejected back, which means so much volume, buying volume is there. This level holds value. I was waiting for the price to approach this zone. As soon as price approaches this zone, it got reversed again. You can see the rejection candle, and then it shows buying candle also, which means a solid reversal pattern. And that's why I placed my trade here. Right now we are running in profit. The trade is going in our favor, and we booked profit. It was a simple trading setup. I have explained you the concept. So today we have taken 4 trades. One was lost and other were in profit. I have explained you the concept behind these trades. I hope you have learned something from these trading opportunities. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.